In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to white out on Adobe Acrobat. If you need to hide text inside a PDF and make the redacted area appear white instead of the default black, Adobe Acrobat gives you a simple way to do that. This is especially useful when you want the page to look clean and blended in after the text is covered. Start by opening Adobe Acrobat and loading the PDF file you want to white out. Make sure you're in the correct document before you begin, because the edits you apply will affect the file you currently have open. If you're working with an important original document, it's also a good idea to save a copy first so you have a backup. Once your PDF is open, go to the All Tools tab. From there, select the option called Redact a PDF. This is the tool Adobe Acrobat uses to permanently cover or remove visible content from a document. Even though people often call this white out, in Acrobat you'll do it through the redaction feature. After opening the redaction tool, click on Set Properties. This is where you can control how the redacted area will look once it's applied. By default, Acrobat usually uses black as the fill color, which is the standard redaction appearance. When the Properties pop-up window appears, look for the setting labeled Redacted Area Fill Color. You'll see the current color, which is typically black. Click on that color box and change it to white. This tells Acrobat to place a white fill over the text instead of a black one. That way the hidden area blends more naturally with the page, especially if your document has a white background. Once you've changed the fill color to white, click OK to confirm and close the window. This saves the setting and returns you to the PDF so you can begin selecting the content you want to cover. Now click on the text you want to white out and highlight it. Be careful while selecting and make sure only the content you want hidden is included. A neat, accurate selection will give you a cleaner final result. And that's it. By adjusting the redaction properties before selecting the text, you can create a whiteout effect directly inside Adobe Acrobat using the built-in tools. If you plan to do this often, remember that Acrobat may keep your last used redaction settings, which can save you time on future edits.